Yo, did you know that the first Republican primary, the Iowa caucus, isn't until January 22nd, 2024? Yo, we got 7 more months of this bullshit. I'm so sick of this primary season already. And meanwhile, people can't even see past the big picture. They'll go out in the street and protest about something that is important but isn't going to make a difference whether they're there or not, but won't protest their own representatives for their own interests, but they'll take pictures and they were there with a sign or whatever. Meanwhile, every Republican candidate, people can't even hold it to account because they got their pick. Meanwhile, every single one of them, including Donald J. Ballgame, sends all of their donations through this freaking privately held donation platform called WinRed. And literally, somebody is taking a cut off of every single donation. They're like, "Hey, Patriots, I know you're getting absolutely clapped, but donate $100 to elect a bag of beans for president." Meanwhile, WinRed is just licking its chops like, yes. They're just like literally taking a slice of every donation. Super American. but don't worry, Patriots, because retribution's on the way. Just stuff your thumb up your balloon knot and wait for 2024, Patriots. And while you're at it, buy some Balance of Nature and some Relief Factor. Isn't this candidate so good? And then this idiot somersaults out of a bush and they're like, "Buy my book." And they're like, "This guy's so good. Forget about what happened and stuff. America, America, America." And everybody's just like, what a clown show. I get on Instagram today and I gotta watch some dude exposing his factory-made saline bags 150 times in a row. Everyone's like, "Look, isn't this gross?" It's like, yes, look at it. And then it's like, "Thanks for watching. Breaking news. Buy my widget. And everybody's just waiting for 24 like something's gonna happen. Don't worry, Patriots, just sit back because someone's coming. Nobody's coming. People are just making fun of the other candidate and making fun of people that try to have discussions about it. And the people that are awake can't even pay attention to the real demons that are afoot. But don't worry, guys, because Chuck Grassley's got it. Chuck Grassley's on the case, guys. We got Grassley. He just didn't do anything for 50 years. And then you got Ronnie, who just objectively executed on all these great things for the state of Florida, and is doing all these things to fight the exact same people that people are saying he's aligned with. But he's doing weird laughs and reading scripts at things, and people don't like him. And they're like, "He's a meatball." Meanwhile, Donnie does a speech tonight and he's like, "I'm going to appoint a special prosecutor to come after Joe Biden." And it's like, oh, cool. I remember in 2016 when you said you were going to appoint a special prosecutor to go after Hillary's emails. But that didn't happen. And that was, 7 years ago. So I guess we got to believe him this time, Patriots. Retribution's on the way. And then Vivek is doing the good thing of defending Donnie at this protest, but apparently you're not loyal if you don't show up at the protest. And it kind of seems like he's just in there to dog on Ronnie and promote Donnie. I don't know. I like Vivek, but I guess. And then he has a hat on that says Truth, and it looks like the Truth social logo. I don't know. And it's his slogan's the courage to tell the truth, or the courage is contagious, or whatever. And Ron's is the courage to lead. And Donnie is still talking about Hillary's emails when you had opportunity to fix that. And then Chris Christie just tumbles in like a tumbleweed and he's like, "Donald Trump." It's like, you liked him though. I don't know. These dudes are all just full of shit. And then you got people on the right that are like they're trying to prove their loyalty to whatever person, and anybody that talks about it is bad now. But they're like, t-shirt, Donald J t-shirt. And look, I sell t-shirts too, but like, I don't know, man. Would you be willing to talk about things that are true if it jeopardizes your t-shirt sale? I don't know, maybe. And you don't even know who to trust because like if you're eating bonbons with a candidate, are you gonna objectively criticize that candidate if they were to do something wrong, or are you just gonna be like, no, but believe me now, one guy's deep state, but the other guy's not deep state. Doesn't matter what happened with one guy, but matters if it happens with the other guy. But don't worry, because we're all just leading everybody in a circle. Meanwhile, I've seen Hunter's Pen 15 more than I've seen any other Pen 15 in the history of time. Donnie's getting arrested, but Joey Baseman's not getting arrested. Donnie's got a box of documents in a locked fortress, and Joe's got it like underneath his Corvette, and Hunter's doing key bumps of Parmesan off it. This whole thing is so stupid! But don't talk about it, because if you talk about it, they're globalist. Like everybody's just like somersaulting out of a bush to like leave some snidely comment or something. They're like, well, I hate your eyebrows. Okay. Their profile picture's like Donnie on a flaming tank, like doing pull-ups on the moon, choking out a velociraptor and like shooting a rocket out of his hand. Or it's like Ron on a rhinoceros eating like a meatball sub or something. And they're like, the culture war! It's just like, I hate everything! Oh. Meanwhile, everybody on the left is just like pushing the most like demonry of all demonry. It's like, and we can't even stay focused. And we got 7 more months of this. Great! Yeah, we're screwed. Yeah, we're just gonna hit by some EMP attack from Xi Jinping. And somebody's gonna sneeze on Joe, and he's gonna poof like a dandelion spore into the wind. And then Krusty's gonna somersault out of a bus. She's gonna be like, this bus has USB ports. Yo, I hate everything. Here we go, Big Blue.